To create a chart, you first start with a table of data. Let's select our data table here. And then we go to the Charts tab here on the Elements toolbar and click it. This will open up our chart options. In this bar we have all the different chart types. We can just click on these to see the different ones. And within each chart type are all the different variants of that chart type. As soon as you click one, Excel is going to create your chart. If you want to try out different chart types, you can keep clicking up here and it's just going to adjust the chart as you try out different things. Let's take a look at where it put our data. It took the months here and it put them here on the horizontal axis. This is also called the category axis. It took our amounts and it put them here on the vertical axis. These are the values. And since we only had one column of information here, we just have one series value over here in the legend. Let's look at an example with multiple series values. I'm just going to click on this chart and hit delete just to get rid of the chart. Let's select this data table instead, and let's try a column chart for it. And now you'll see that it took our categories here and put those as the series values, where we have our legend over here of the color coding of what each category is in the chart. And it took the months, which are up here, and put them here as the horizontal axis. And it kept the values here as the vertical axis. Excel's just guessing at what you want to go where. It's not always going to guess right. So if you want to switch things around, we can open up our formatting palette. Over here, this is going to give us a lot of chart options in the formatting palette as long as we have our chart selected. And in the chart data section, let's say we wanted to switch the categories with the months. In this sort by section here, if I just click the other button, I want to sort by column. You'll see that it switched it to having the months over here and the supplies here. So now we're seeing all the supply purchases together separated out by months. If we want it back the other way, we can just click that button again, and now we're seeing all the monthly purchases together separated out by the category.